Not many people know, before I started Shamrock, American citizen ako. I grew up in LA. Umuwi ako sa Pilipinas to form Shamrock. So, when the time came na I needed to move back, it wasn't a problem. So, I chose Las Vegas because yun yung pinakamalapit sa Pilipinas na hindi naman temperature, yung vibe. Dahil may kapatid ako sa Seattle, pero parang lahat ng tao sa Seattle galit sa mundo. Pero peace sa mga kababayan natin sa Seattle. Pero I really felt the anger of ng culture ng Seattle, and I wasn't used to that. Sanay ako sa Pilipinas na masaya lang yung mga tao, and I felt that sa Las Vegas. That's why I chose it as my new home.
Alright. We watch you a lot on YouTube, and we like all the songs that actually you've done so far. And aside from, when did you arrive in Las Vegas? Like,
Nako, walang short answer para dyan. It's a very, very long story. And I know they released something sa YouTube on why I left Shamrock. All that information is wrong because they never asked me.
okay.
Kumbaga, they never asked me, they never asked my bandmates, they just decided to do the video, I guess. And I was on vacation on 2021 sa Las Vegas.
It was COVID time.
Yeah, a little bit after COVID, then kasama ko family ko. And yun yung time na may 10 or 15-day quarantine. So, ayoko mag-quarantine dahil after COVID, di ba, nakakulong ka na sa bahay. So, sabi ko, okay, let's extend. Extend tayo ng trip. And then, dumating na naman na dadating na yung flight namin, biglang extend ulit. So, after that, it's been 2 years na walang concert, walang TV shows. You know, merong TV shows, pero yung iti-tape mo yung sarili mo. And it wasn't a lot of fun. So, sabi ko sa misis ko, I'm an American citizen, I might as well petition na lang kita because as of now, wala pa tayong babalikan.
Right.
So, nagstay kami dito, nagpaalam ako sa bandmates ko, and which is, yun yung the very hardest thing na ginawa ko sa buhay ko because I felt I was leaving my friends and the family that I've known for 24 years.
It's not easy.
Yeah, so, but it was a big decision.